define serial number items. Serial numbers are used for tracking stock from the point of receipt through to the point of sale and can be used to track returned items from the customer back to the vendor. Serial numbers are used to track individual items, so each serial number must be unique to one specific item. We use the item screen to designate an item as a serial number item. When you designate an item as a serial number item, it is necessary for you to assign the serial number mask and the serial number value. Let's have a look at setting up serial number items. From Inventory Control, Items and Price Lists, we begin by selecting Items, and we'll call up the appropriate item number for the item that we wish to designate as a serial number item. In this case, we are going to use the mini fluorescent bulb. Notice that the Items tab auto-populates with the item's details. Select the serial number box. Notice how the Serial tab appears. Select the Serial tab. Here, we first need to enter the appropriate serial number mask. Notice the serial number appears as defined by the mask. In this case, you'll note that the first two characters are alpha characters. Therefore, we will fill this in with the appropriate prefix. You can define days to expiry if needed, specifying the default number of days that an item is going to expire since first being received in inventory. You can check the Allow Serial Quantity to be different from quantity and entries if you require that the number of serial numbers be different than the number shipped or received. For example, if you expect to receive 3 fluorescent desk lamps, the system is going to expect 3 serial numbers. If this option is selected, you can define a number other than 3. Notice that a warning appears. We're going to decline turning this option on. Once enabled, it is not possible to disable this option. It is also not possible for you to use a serial costing method for that item if enabled. It is optional for you to define warranty information, whether the serial number item is going to be assigned to a warranty when sold, and whether the serial number is going to be placed on warranty when registered. And you can optionally define a contract, whether the serial number item is automatically placed on the contract when received. If necessary, you can also define the appropriate optional field information for the serial number item. Save the changes to the item. This is how you designate an inventory item to be a serial number item within Inventory Control. Congratulations! You now know how to define serial number items in Sage 300.